Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to go ahead and teach you how to connect your PNC Bank to the Robinhood app. First, click on your profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on the three lines on the upper left hand corner. Next, click on Transfers. Then click on Add Account, which is located towards the bottom of the screen. Then click on Bank Account. Then it's going to take a couple of seconds for the software called Plaid to load. What Plaid is that it keeps your data safe and it also protects your accounts. Click on Continue on the bottom hand side. Then click on Continue as Guest. Then select PNC. So what's going to happen is that it's going to prompt you to log into your PNC account so that you can select which checkings or savings accounts you want to connect with Plaid. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know about doing this. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.